In today's video, I'll teach you how to change profile picture in X. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Twitter application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to change your profile picture, it is actually very simple. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to see your profile icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options like profile, premium, chat, bookmarks, etc. Tap on the profile option that you can see at first. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to see your profile photo right over here. If you want to change it, it is very simple. Simply tap on this option, edit profile, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to edit your profile information like photo, name, bio, location, etc. So in order to change the profile picture, tap on your current profile picture. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option, take photo, choose existing photo. Simply tap on the option of your choice. If you want to take the photo right away, tap on this option, take photo. If you want to choose the photo from your gallery, tap on this option, choose existing photo. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to choose the photo. What you have to do is simply tap on the photo that you would like to use. Now once you do that, you'll be able to move and scale it. After you're done, what you have to do is tap on the use option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, this profile photo will be used. In order to save it, tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, changes have been saved. Now your profile photo has been changed. So that is how you change profile picture in X. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.